Hello everyone! Today we are going to read Skeleton Hiccups. And this one is not spooky book, this one is silly book. Do not scare of it, okay? This one is skeleton. What is a skeleton doing? Skeleton is, oh look, holding a brass and drinking some water. Why? Why is he holding brass and drinking some water? Uh-oh, I can hear some sound. I know why he is holding a brass and drinking some water. Do you know why too? All right, I think he wants to stop hiccuping, right? And you can help him? I don't know. Let me see. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton hiccups. Skeleton walk up. Had the hiccups. Oh, he's taking a shower, but still hiccups. And brush his teeth. Oh no, my underjaw. And polish his bun. And oh, I think it's Halloween is coming, so he is prepared a jack-o'-lantern, making a jack-o'-lantern with his pumpkin. So he carved a pumpkin. So look, but he's good at doing this? No, I don't think so. Because the hiccuping is looking terrible, right? Oh, he's raking some leaves, but still hiccups. And play with ghost. I think it's catch a ball. And he's throwing a ball toward skeleton. Hey, skeleton, please catch the ball. All right, I got it. Oopsie, sorry. And goes to tall skeleton. Hey, I got an idea. I can make you stop hiccup. Number 1, hold your breath. No, it doesn't work. Number 2, eat some sugar. No. Number 3, press your finger over your eyeball. Again. And drink some water upside down. No way. And a ghost made a face. Said boo to skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccup stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Oh, I think he's a very, very good friend. And he's looking for something to stop hiccuping. So, haha, he found a mirror. Hey, look it over here. Held it up. skeleton screamed. And look it over here. Hic, hic, hic. Phew! The hiccups laughed. Thank you for helping me. And hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hic. Boing, boing, boing. Hic. Boing, boing. Hic. Boing, 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 boing. Oh my goodness. What should I do? I can stop hiccuping. No way. The end.